you, maidens?
Yeah, Ka.
How are you doing?
We are fine.
Okay, I'm Akanu Ohafia, but I get mix here, both Igbo and Beke, all right? You girls are looking so amazing, so wonderful. This is pure Igbo Africa cultural attire. And we saw you guys come in and we got attracted to you and we decided to say hello to you guys. We are actually AdamaziTV, and what we do is we connect all Africans to their roots, all right, via the showcase of Africa's cultural heritage. All right, so as youths, first of all, may we meet you, madam?
Okay, I'm Akanu Ohafia. You can actually call me Akanu Ohafia. And my name is Emele Kalu Ifoma. So...
Wonderful, nice to meet you, Akanu Ohafia. What about you, ma?
Oh, Maza, Ugomma, Do, Kalu, Emele, Uke.
This is Ugomma. You're looking so wonderful. All right, so as youths of, you're from Akanu Ohafia here. So as youths of this community, having seen what is happening here today, that you're celebrating your New Year festival, what do you have to say? How do you feel, and what do you have to say?
Okay, first of all, while looking at me, you will see that the attire I'm putting on should simplify that I'm happy about this occasion. And as an Akanu Ohafia, I'm a woman of identity. I believe that whatever thing that is happening here today should be identified via what you are wearing, your outfit, the way you are talking. Like in Akanu, we say Kani. So as an Akanu Ohafia, I love culture. I'm a woman of culture, and I believe that culture is people's way of life. As you can see from my hair to my tone, I am identifying with my culture. Ka.
Wonderful, as you can see from her head to her toe, she's looking so gorgeous, people. She's looking so amazing. If you want to see the most beautiful girls in Africa, in Nigeria, in Igbo land, come to Akanu Ohafia. As you can see here, we have them. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, what about you? How do you feel about today?
Well, today is actually a happy day. Do you know why? Wow. Happiness should come from the inside, we believe, because when you're home, you feel at home. You know, I came all the way from my base back home because this is where the culture is. And as my sister already said, culture is the people's way of life. It's your identity. It is what you're known for. It is who you are. And we're excited because I say I'm Biriji. And as Ifeji Maraye, Obi uto jubusanyo obi no sorry. You know, Emma, asiswanya tobule. So as it stands, every youth should celebrate their culture. Yeah. They should imbibe the culture because they are the culture. Thank you very much.
Youth of life. Okay.
Yeah.
Youth of life.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Now, what's your message to the youths out there who don't really care about their cultural heritage?
Okay, my advice to them is that, you know, sometimes we will say that Christianity has done much harm than good. But I used to tell people that Christianity has nothing to do with yourself. So my advice today is that all the youth out there should have their own identity. It's good for you to know who you are, where you are, and where you come from is very, very important. Please, all the youth there, please always identify with your people. It's very important.
Wonderful. What about you? What's your message?
And in addition to what she has just said, the white man has a culture. We, the Igbos, we have a culture. Please, always be identified by your culture because your culture makes you who you are.
Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Please, can I know the Akanu Ohafia? Greet. Can I know for us to Akanu?
Oh.
Ima asi wa mi ani ga toju. Oh, ebo bolagi na ha na lege nku eda Ohafia ebo bolagi. Ohafia si che